The Autel MaxiTPMS TS501 PRO is an advanced tool that offers comprehensive TPMS services, including programming, sensor activation, and diagnostics, making it a versatile addition to any automotive toolkit. This tool supports a wide range of vehicles, covering 99% of TPMS sensors, and offers lifetime updates to ensure compatibility with the latest car models. It features two efficient programming methods for Autel MX sensors, allowing you to create sensor IDs quickly or copy them using an OBD connection. The Autel MaxiTPMS TS501 PRO includes 3 relearn procedures, ensuring that you can reset and relearn both original equipment and aftermarket sensors effectively. It can wirelessly activate all known brand sensors, providing detailed sensor data such as tire pressure, temperature, and battery status. With lifetime free updates and a 1-year warranty, the Autel MaxiTPMS TS501 PRO ensures users have access to the latest features and reliable customer support.